morning, good morning, good morning. Back again. Another day, another video. Still following the one-a-day themes. Today I'm going to show how to make a quinoa vegetable salad. I have some quinoa right here that I cooked in a vegetable broth. Salt, pepper, herb seasoning, champagne vinegar, cherry tomatoes, green peppers, chives, blanched cut up asparagus, some cut into fourths cucumber, and some black beans. All right, so let's get started. I have a pan that I'm gonna mix everything in. So first we're just gonna start with the quinoa. This is about 2 pounds of quinoa. Just put it in your pan. That's that. Next, we'll start with the tomatoes. This is about 2 packages of those little plastic containers of tomatoes. 1 bell pepper. 1 cucumber. 1 bunch of asparagus. Remember, blanched and diced up. 2 cans of rinsed and dried black beans. This is 2 bunches of chives, but I'm just putting some right now to mix in, and then some to garnish. Salt, pepper. And this is just some herb seasoning. This is optional. I just do this for the look that it gives when it's mixed up, but not necessary. About 2 tablespoons champagne vinegar. And all you do now is mix. Nice, evenly. It's a very pretty salad. It's a very simple salad, and it's a very, very healthy, full of protein and nutrients and vitamins and tasty fiber. Very, very, very pretty, very, very nice salad. So just mix until everything feels mixed together. I don't want to see any patches or batches of anything. I want everything nice and evenly distributed. Make sure you get the bottom. There we go. That one is done. That's easy. Just making sure. But yeah, that one is done. Gloves off. So just get yourself a spoon, get yourself a serving bowl, or a plate, whatever you want to put it in. Just like that. Make sure you see everything. That's very key. Just like that. See? Just like that. Very simple, very easy. Doesn't get no better than that. Does not get any better than that. Little chive on top for some garnish. And boom. All right, this was a quick, easy, simple video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and ripping and rolling. Everybody have a good day. JV, the Spice Box. Take care. Till next time.